Alright guys, we're going to get the maiden flight of the Nano S3 with the CPX brushless kit installed. I'll link my video below where I kind of talk about the brushless kit so you can see how I put it in there. But this is going to be the first flight. Now I've heard that the green safe mode can be wonky with the brushless upgrade because it's trying to do an altitude hold thing, so it can the throttle can be weird. So I'm not even going to do the green mode, but I want to test the blue mode, stability mode, real quick. Make sure the helicopter's gyros are set up nice, and then really all I care about is 3D mode, the red mode. So then we'll go ahead and do that. Got a little bit of shakes going on. I got to figure that out. I haven't had the best luck with these carbon fiber blades. That's why they're on none of my helis, but I think that might be what's causing the vibration. So we're going to go ahead and throw on yellow set. This is Blade brand. We'll throw these on and see how that works. Alright, I got the pitch set to 90%, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, and 100% throttle. Let's go back up in red mode. Alright, tail's holding pretty good. Let's just fly it around a little bit. Just going to get a little hover here. Blade tracking looks good. I did another calibration because when I changed the blades, I tried it again and it needed another calibration. This is hands-off hovering right here, basically. Very, very smooth and stable. And it goes up pretty quick. I don't know how much you can see on camera, how high you can see. Let me go over here. Go up. It goes probably out of sight view. It has a good amount of power. But yeah, I'm amazed how stable this thing is. It's very, very locked in. Alright, let's just do some circuits and stuff. Flies great. We'll do some very bad figure eights. Let's do a pyro. Alright. Let's do one more punch up. Oh yeah, no tail movement on the punch and a good amount of power. Do that one more time. Oh yeah. This is 90% pitch. Holding the tail pretty good. You always get a little bit of lag on these things. I got a CPX that's like perfect though. I don't know how I got it set up so perfect. Alright, my timer's about to stop. Then we got a car. Alright. Very nice. Let's land it. I went to blue mode. My blue mode's almost perfect, but it's a little windy outside. Might do one more calibration because I'm having to give it a little stick, but it's not bad. I only use the blue to land because you got to slowly cut off this throttle. All right, it flies, and it flies good. Have any comments or questions, leave them below. We'll see y'all later.